What up, everyone? This week we're going to be dipping all the chrome, actually majority of the chrome of the car, using the Hyper Dip Shadow Black from dipyourcar.com. So let's see how it comes out. First step to all this is going to be prepping. So I do this pretty ghetto. Obviously, if you take better time on masking it, it'll come out much better than what I did. The color's nice and the texture feels really good on everything. The front emblem's definitely going to have more protection against rocks and stuff, so I unmasked everything and it came out looking alright.